I'm a bird. I'm Raufy, and I'm the bird. Chirp, chirp. Huh? What's that? Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Chirp. It's a strange little animal. Chirp, chirp. I wonder what it is. Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. Why are you barking at me? Well, I thought maybe you're a dog, a little dog or something. Well, I'm not a dog. Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. Cheep. Meow, meow. Why are you meowing at me? Well, maybe you're a little cat? Well, I'm not a cat, see? Imagine that meowing at me. I'm just sort of moo. Moo. Oh, I get it. He's a cow. A little tiny cow. I'm not... No, silly. I'm not a cow. You're not? Of course not. Then, what are you? I'm a bird, silly. A bird? You're not a bird. I'm a bird. Humans turn into bird. Well, I'm a little bird. A tiny bird. You sure? Mm-hmm. I don't think you could bird. I don't think you're a bird at all. Now listen. Do you have wing? Do you have beak? Of course I have a beak. I'm a bird. Well, so do I. A cute little tiny beak. Now look, do you have wings? Why, yes. Yes, I'm a bird. Well, so do I. Look at these. Wow, a cute little tiny wings. Now look, do you have feathers? Yes, I'm a bird. I'm covered with them. And look at you. You got feathers all over you too. Why, you are a bird. Yeah. Yeah, told you I was. Ralph bird. A little bird. Yep, and now you're a big Ralph bird. I'm not big, I'm a child. So... And you're a great Ralph bird. Yeah. Can we be friends? Yeah, I guess so. Chirp, chirp. We're gonna be friends for a long, long time. So, can we just get in bed and go to sleep? Why, sure. Okay. Hey, Raul. Raul, wake up. Can we fly or something? Okay. Could, could we watch TV? Yeah, we gotta watch TV. Okay. Let's put on YouTube and listen to the music. Did you put on the music? Yep. It's the turtles and happy together. Cool, colorful. I love this song. Me too.